Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add cash on delivery option in Shopify checkout. So the process is really simple, but in case of custom requirements, you can install any app or you can hire a developer, Shopify developer to do that custom task for you. But for a simple cash on delivery, you don't have to worry. The process is really simple. You just have to click on settings and then you have to click on like payments. So don't overcomplicate everything. As you see in Shopify tutorials, the process is really simple for it. Click on manual payment method and you have like the three options: bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. And there is also option for custom payment method. If you have a payment method which is not common worldwide and just applicable in your country, you can add the instructions here or you can add the API from the other source. But the main there are three main options for this manual payment method: bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. And for this tutorial specifically, we are concerned only for the cash on delivery. Just click on it, and additional details I've already written before the tutorial. Make sure to have the amount ready when the rider arrives. So these details will be visible on the checkout page, and then payment instruction: when the customer will place an order, it will this message will be shown. Just reactivate cash on delivery. You just have to click on activate cash on delivery. So before that, I activated this method and then I deactivated, so that's why it is showing me deactivate again. And reactivate again. Okay, so just test this thing as we have done. Enable the cash on delivery, and let's click on view online store, and then let's quickly go to the checkout page. Okay, and click on checkout, and as let's see if the cash on delivery option is working or not, or showing not. As you can see, the cash on delivery option is showing. Make sure to have the amount ready when the rider arrives, so the things are working fine, no problem at all. So as this is a development store, I can't do the test order because the bogus payment gateway is not activated for now. Okay, so I hope the things are clear. Unfortunately, I can't do a test order, as I told you the reason before. So I think the steps are clear to you: how you can how you can activate the cash on delivery, and how you can enable that method, and you can test it on your own. The things are working really fine. You can also add the bank deposit method, and it works the same way, no problem at all. So thank you very much, and let me know if you have any query, or if you just do the testing and if you found any error, make sure to mention that error in the comment section. Thank you very much.